thought we'd say hello and good morning on our sea day. So,
and it's pretty rocky.
It's rocking and rolling out here today. So we're gonna stumble our way to breakfast. It was the first sunny day on this cruise, and people were already packed into the pool area like sardines. Alright, here we are on the back of the ship. We looked everywhere and we found a spot on this, what do they call this, the waterfront? I think the waterfront.
Yeah, it's the 8th deck aft.
Yeah, so we're just hanging out.
We had to drag some chairs and the boats are rocking, so that was very comfortable. If you would have videoed me a win, you would have had a good piece of video, babe.
Oh boy. Alright, well, we'll talk to you soon. We'd love to help you book your next cruise or dream vacation. Check us out at sandysuntravel.com. And while you're there, scroll down the page and enter our contest for a dream vacation. We're just chilling on the waterfront, enjoying the waves and the water. All right, so we are in Los Lobos, the Mexican restaurant on board, and we have the maybe best table in the house. We can see outside. We're looking out at the wake, so it's fantastic, and I have the best view in the house. So not unlike the rest of this sea day, we didn't get very many pictures or video of our meal at Los Lobos. We just enjoyed it. We finished out our night with what I feel like was the highlight of the entertainment on board Norwegian Encore, the Choir of Man. If you haven't seen this show, you need to. We loved the show on the ship, and we're actually looking into going to see it somewhere nearby when it's in town. One cool aspect of this show is that as you walk in, the cast members are setting up the quote-unquote pub. And then once it's set up, they invite members of the audience to come up and get a drink before the show.
Turn me on, I can't sleep. So take a chance and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back. I never worry.
I know it's short and sweet, but that's it for our video today. The weather was so nice, we spent most of the day enjoying ourselves and forgot to video. Check back next week when we'll have a full video of Great Stirrup Cay, where we had a great time, but we did get some video. We'll see you then.